Heat shrink tubing is a shrinkable plastic tube to cover a splice in wiring. This PulsEvo kit includes 350 pieces of shrinkable plastic tubes. This shrinkable plastic tube is available in 4 and 8 diameters and 55 mm in length. The tube comes in 5 different colors: black, yellow, blue, transparent, and green. This kit has excellent stress control properties like long-term weather, tear resistance, and reliability in performance in the harshest situations. Additionally, you will get a durable plastic storage box to help you always keep the product organized and transport the product anywhere. To join the heat shrink tube tightly, just slide a tube at the desired location and apply heat through the cigarette lighter, or use a heat gun for 10 seconds. The heat shrink tube can withstand maximum temperatures of 125 degrees Celsius. The PulsEvo tube kit can be used widely in electrical wiring, home applications, wire bundling, mechanical protection, and also used in various DIY projects. PulsEvo industrial grade heat shrink tube is a perfect choice for protecting the wires of your gadgets.